If you've ever needed to change the page size in Microsoft Word, whether you're making a letter, report, flyer, worksheet, or any other document, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to edit. You can start with a blank file or use an existing document, depending on what you need. Once your document is open, look at the top of the screen and click the Layout tab. In some versions of Word, this may also appear as Page Layout, but the steps are the same. After you click Layout, find the Size button. This is where Microsoft Word lets you change the paper dimensions for your document. Click Size, and you'll see a list of common page sizes appear. These usually include options like letter, legal, A4, A3, and more. Now choose the page size that fits your project. If you're creating a standard document, letter is commonly used in the United States, while A4 is often used in many other countries. If you need something larger for posters, charts, or layouts, you can select a bigger size like A3. Microsoft Word will apply your selection to the current document right away. Once you've selected the page size, check your document to make sure the layout looks correct. Changing the page size can affect where text, images, and tables appear on the page, so it's always a good idea to scroll through and review the formatting after the change. If needed, you can adjust margins, spacing, or object placement to make everything fit nicely. If you want to be extra precise, you can also choose more page size options from the same menu in Word, depending on your version. But for most people, selecting one of the common preset sizes is all you need. After choosing the correct size, simply click OK if your version of Word asks you to confirm the change. And that's it. You've successfully changed the page size in Microsoft Word. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference when preparing documents for printing, school, business, or design work. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials and helpful software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.